Hey everyone, it's Val here and welcome back to Unboxing with Val. Today's video is another Mindful Monday, Mindful Souls unboxing. Super excited. Today I've got let me see if I can remember it, the citrine necklace that I got from last box, which was the May box. And I'm also wearing one of my bracelets that I got, I think this was from my very first box. So I just wanted to put some little jewelry on. And now let's get into our June box. So June box came all broken from the bottom. I don't know if you can see that. And I don't know if I mentioned in the last video, but there was a whole fiasco with this. So I had to go to the post office. I was tracking it like the best I could. And I tracked it down to the post office before it got to my old address because we moved and I didn't want it to get sent back to my old address because then it would have been resent back to Mindful Souls and it would have just been a whole fiasco that I wanted to avoid. So I went to the post office that it was being delivered to and I got my box, which I'm super happy about. So this is my June box. I am bummed that is a little bit, the box is a little bit not destroyed, but like the box went through some things. I don't know what the what UPS and USPS were doing, but it definitely went through things. Let's go ahead and open it. So, and just like that, you've opened a whole new world of possibilities. So in our box, we always get the little information card. We always get a sticker, and this looks like a lotus flower, like maybe a hand holding a lotus flower, just a black and white sticker. Super pretty, super simple. We always get an affirmation card. So the affirmation for this month, for June, is affirmation for prosperity. My good comes from everywhere and everyone. That's the affirmation card. And then we always get our products. So let's start with this one. This one feels like a bracelet. I like to try and feel it first and see if I can guess what it is, and this one feels like a bracelet. It is a bracelet. Okay, so I think, okay, so what I'm learning, with what I am learning, is I believe this is jade. I believe it's a jade bracelet, and it's got a little Buddha charm. I love Mindful Souls bracelets, but that's a really pretty charm. Oh, that's so pretty. Oh, I got another bracelet. Now this one's red. Or it's not a bracelet, it's a necklace. So this one's a red necklace and it's wrapped in this like floral wrapping. And I don't know what crystal this is, so I'll have to show you guys in the information card. Next up. Okay, this one feels like a palm stone. It's definitely like a little palm stone. Now, which one is it? Let me see if I can... Okay, so I think this is tiger's eye. Just because my boyfriend loves tiger's eye, so I think this one's tiger's eye, and it's got like the browns to it. But I think this one's tiger's eye. Little tiger's eye palm stone. So that's what? Three products so far? Oops. So that's 3. This one feels like another necklace? Another jewelry item? Oh. It is. Oh. It's a long necklace. How can I wear it? Well, I guess I can just put it on however I please. But this one's just another necklace, and it's like it's a long necklace with a whole bunch of different crystals on it. Yeah, so that's what this one is. It doesn't really match with what I'm wearing right now, but it is really pretty, and this will be fun to layer on top of other necklaces. I'm pretty sure like you could even layer it on this because it like kind of matches, it kind of doesn't, but I can probably like find some stuff to layer it on. Let's see what else. This one just feels like a little ball They sent me a tiger's eye like little marble not too long ago in one of my other boxes. So that's what this one feels like. It's just another crystal marble, and it is. And this one is clear. It's like a black crystal, like a blackish gray crystal. But that's what that one is. And then the last product is lavender essential oil. So I gotta do research on these oils and fragrance oils because my boyfriend sent me that someone was using a eucalyptus fragrance oil and her dog had breathing problems, so I want to make sure that the essential oils and fragrance oils that I've gotten or that I have are pet safe and not toxic to dogs. So if I were to use my diffuser, my dogs and my cats wouldn't be harmed by them or have any difficulties with them. So I do need to do that. But let me go ahead and smell this one. It just smells like lavender. It just smells like lavender, that's all. Nothing special, just lavender. But it's the brand is Goloka, and I believe Goloka is the brand that I got in my last box, in the May box of, I believe I got the Goloka what are they called? Incense. So that is everything that I got in my box for June. So let's go ahead and look at the information card. I'm gonna do the same thing that I did in the last video, which was kind of turn you guys around, face my wall, read, let you guys read it, and I read it along and show you the products like that. I think that was a more clever way of showing you all everything. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so welcome to my wall. Let's go ahead and get the Mindful Souls information card. Here it is. And the first product that we're going to be reading about is the Tiger Eye Stone. Okay, so the Tiger Eye Stone, everyone. So this is the Tiger Eye Stone. Like I said, I knew it was a Tiger Eye Stone. I know what Tiger's Eye is now just because my boyfriend loves Tiger's Eye. This is the Tiger's Eye Palm Stone, and it says that Tiger Eye is a powerful stone that aids harmony and balance and helps you to release fear and anxiety. It stimulates taking action and helps you to make decisions with discernment and understanding and unclouded by your emotions. Use it for insight and you can be a very lucky person. Tiger Eye may bring good luck and protection from the evil eye to the wearer. It is also known to bring clear and thinking insight. So that is a Tiger Eye. Oh, okay. So the next item is the Indian Agate beads necklace slash bracelet. You could either wear this as a necklace or a bracelet. Just however you want. You can wrap it around your wrist a few times, or you can just wear it as a necklace. And the Indian Agate beads necklace slash bracelet, it says the essence of Indian Agate is meditation, joy, and exploration. Because of the harmonizing qualities of agate and its emotional energies of removing and releasing resentments and bitterness. It is also considered by many to be an excellent stone for helping to heal and improve relationships. So that is all about that one. And the next one is the red stone necklace. So just a red stone, that's what it's called, is a red stone necklace. And it says that the red stone necklace, it says, oh, it's red jasper. So red jasper is no ordinary stone. It is a perfect stone when it comes to releasing old fears and suppressed emotions. Its vibration focuses on spiritual grounding that resonates within the lower 3 chakras and creating a strong connection to the earth. Red jasper is a highly protective stone known for building one's strength and guarding against all kinds of threats. The last, or no, not the last one, the fourth item is a Smoky quartz sphere. So this one, like I said, is a Smoky quartz sphere, and it's smoky and quartz. And it says that the Smoky quartz is a protection stone that cleanses and clears negative energy. It is also a grounding stone that transmutes negative energies and facilitates your ability to get things done in the practical world. It enhances organizational skills and is good to have around in the workplace or home office. Smoky Quartz is nature's stone of endurance. If you need an extra boost, carry a Smoky Quartz gemstone with you. It says that it promotes personal pride and joy in living, creativity, and opens the path for perception and hearing. So the next item is our Amazonite bracelet, and in the picture it shows that it's multicolored, and it is like kind of multicolored. There are like 2 beads that are multicolored, but in the picture it shows more reds and yellows, but I see more greens. So it says Amazonite. Amazonite is known as the lucky hope stone, as it will be lucky for all your hopes and dreams. It brings calming and soothing energies, making it especially useful in times of stress. They are also a powerful healing crystal for the throat chakra, helping to magnify your intentions and affirmations. Blue crystal energy will unblock and balance the throat chakra. Darker shades of blue encourage the power of truth, while lighter shades carry the power of flexibility, relaxation, and balance. And our last product is the surprise aroma oil. So they surprised me with lavender. That was my surprise aroma oil. And all it says about it is, often we receive signs from the universe which at times can be difficult to grasp. This special aroma oil is one that has been left entirely up to fate. Take this as a sign to fill your home or space with a refreshing scent. Out of the 6 possible scents, this aroma oil made its way to you to release calming energies. All aromas are made from natural ingredients to neutralize odors and bring love into your home. Alright everyone, and that was the end of my Mindful Souls for June 2023. If you enjoyed my transitions, I tried to make some fun, interesting transitions with putting my hand over the camera lens and then releasing it. I don't know. If you noticed that, if you enjoyed my transitions or this video, or watching everything that I got from the Amazonite, the Indian Agate beads necklace / bracelet, to the Amazonite bracelet, to the tiger's eye stone, to the red jasper stone necklace, to the lavender essential oil, to the Smoky Quartz marble, which I put away, and go ahead and give this a big thumbs up. I enjoy making these videos for everyone, and not just for everyone, but for myself especially. I enjoy making these videos. I enjoy receiving these boxes once a month. I love Mindful Souls, and I'm excited to keep receiving more boxes so I can show you. If you're interested in Mindful Souls, I will have their link to their website down below. Mindful Souls isn't just a subscription box website. They also have their own shop. So they have their shop from home decor to jewelry, of course, to lifestyle stuff. They have like crystal water bottles. I don't know if that interests you. But that's just a few of their, what they have on their website. They have a point system too. So if once you get so many points, you can get either $5 off your box, $10 off your box, $10 off the website. They have a whole bunch of different things. They send you monthly newsletters through the email, and they're just overall a great website. And I love their customer service just because I had issues with their shipping and stuff, so I did have to reach out to customer service, and I love their customer service. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe down below for more Mindful Souls unboxing and just more unboxing in general. And leave a comment, anything you want to say. Nice, not nice. I'm okay for constructive criticism, so yeah. I'll see y'all next time. Bye everyone.